Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your Gmail display name. I show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is open up Gmail, click on this setting icon over here and select to see all settings. In here you just need to select accounts and import. In here send mail as, you just need to select edit info, click on it. And now in here you just need to select this option guys, check mark it, and you can enter in earlier an alias or the name on the Google account. You just need to enter it. After entering it, you just need to select save changes and that will be saved guys. That's all you have to do it guys. Now if you send an email, it would appears up in the from bar and someone is receiving an email, that would be the name that appears here. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.